Hello everyone, today we are going to see about the nodal anatomy. Nodal anatomy in the different form. First form in the leaf traces and the leaf gaps. A shoot bears nose and internodes. At each nose portion of a vascular system are deflected into a leaf which is attached at this node. A vascular bundle is located in the stem but directly related to a leaf to represent the lower part of a vascular supply to this leaf is termed as a leaf trace. What is leaf trace? Definition of a leaf trace. The leaf trace is the vascular bundle that connects the vascular system of the leaf with that of the stem. A leaf trace is extended between the base of the leaf and the point where it is completely merged with other parts of the system in the stem. And the leaf trace may be one or more be associated with each leaf. In shoot or terraceous seed plants and ferns where the leaf traces diverges into a leaf, it appears though the portion of a vascular cylinder of the stem is deflected to the one side. Immediately above the diverging trace, a parenchymatous tissue is being differentiated instead of a vascular tissue in the vascular region of the stem for the limited distance. A parenchymatous region in the vascular system of the stem located directly from the diverging leaf traces are called leaf gaps or lacunes. Actually, these gaps are not breaks into the continuity of the vascular system of the axis. Lateral connection occurs between the tissues above and below the gap. In the transverse section of an axis at the level of a leaf gap, that gap resembles an intervascular area. Here the first picture shows about the leaf and the branches of traces and gaps. A shows the LS of a node through the leaf and gaps, and B is the LS of the root through the branches. We can able to differentiate the leaf traces and the leaf gaps in the branch and the leaf. And the second picture is the primary vascular system, a Selaginella, a three-dimensional view, siphonous three-leaf type with 30 leaf gaps. And then Nictiotina, a unilacunar node, siphonous leaf with leaf gaps. A third one describes a salicylic trilacunar node, siphonous type of a leaf after is ESA. These gaps are quite conspicuous in the ferns and the angiosperms where the vascular system in the internodal parts of the stem for a more or less continuous cylinder. In the ferns of the leaves are so crowded that the gaps formed at the successive nodes overlap another and the vascular cylinder appears highly dissected. The transverse sections of such stems show a circular of vascular bundles with the parenchymatous leaf gaps. In a certain ferns, gymnosperms and most angiosperms, the vascular system consists of an stomachal strands and stomachal strands. In such cases, the parenchyma that occurs above the diverging leaf trace can be confined with the intervesicular areas. Thus, the recognition of a gap becomes uncertain. And later, we can see about what is the type. Three types we see in the picture earlier. I can show you the picture, that right side picture. It describes about the ABC is the three types unilacunar, trilacunar, and these are some of the leaf traces. Here we see the types about the three common types of nodes in the dicotyledons. The nodes with a single gap and the single leaf trace is known as a unilacular. Uni means a single. The node with the three gaps and three traces to one medium and two lateral is called trilacular. And the node with the several too many gaps and the traces to a leaf is known as a multilacular. The most accepted concept in the trilacular condition is the primitive in the dicotyledons, and the unilacular and the multilacular have been derived from it. Several monocotyledon plants possess leaf shedding bases nodes with a large number of leaves separately inserted around the stem. In the ferns, the number of leaf traces to a leaf varies from one to many, but they are always associated with a single gap. In gymnosperms, a unilocular node is and the nodal anatomy in the wheat monocot stem. In wheat stem, course of a vascular bundle through the internode and the leaf sheath is almost parallel. Near the node, a leaf sheath is considerably thick and attain its maximum thickness just above its union with the stem. On the other hand, stem has the smallest diameter above the junction with the sheath. Stem is a hollow internode and solid at the node. The sheath remains open on one side at a higher level just near the nodes. Massive collenchymatous bundle caps are present in the bundles of leaf sheath. Just beneath the junction of the leaf sheath and the stem, the smaller of a leaf traces are prolongated in the peripheral part of the axis, and the larger leaf traces becomes part of the inner cylinder of the stems. And let's see about the three types, that is Spirina, Bisalicic, Brassica. It's a trilacunar node, and the Rumex is a multilacunar node. We can observe that only one leaf cap and the one leaf traces is present in A, and the two to three leaf caps are present in the B. That's the trilacunar, 2 to 3, and there is a multilacunar are present in the D. And the nodal anatomy, a piece of paper is a transector. A nodal anatomy of adiantum fern. Adiantum fern is a transection. Both possess alternative leaf arrangement. Single traces to leaves and the single leaf caps is at the nodes A, and has some secondary growth. B has a phloem of both sides of the xylem. This shows the left-sided picture, and the right-side pictures is the primary vascular system of a part opposite leaf arrangements. And these also about the nodal anatomy pictures, that the leaf traces and leaf gaps. Nodal anatomy in the branch traces and branch gaps. The primary vascular supply to a lateral branches is also derived from the vascular system of the main axis, usually in the form of two bundles, less or often one bundle. This transverse known as the branch transverse or ramicular transverse, which was discovered by the Erms and Max Daniels in 1947. Nodal anatomy in the closing of leaf. The feature of where categories the nodal structure do not penetrate in the secondary bud. A cambium develops into a parenchyma of the leaf, and the forms a vascular tissue in the continuity with those bordering the gaps. This phenomenon is also known as the closing of the leaf. And this is the picture that the closing of a leaf, how the nodal anatomy is present in the secondary growth. And the reference is given. Thank you.